Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your shareholder value with target stock, beginner guide step by step clearly. To increase your shareholder value with target stock, begin by understanding what shareholder value means. Shareholder value is the financial worth of a company as perceived by its shareholders. Next, familiarize yourself with Target's business model and current market position. Research Target's recent financial performance, including revenue, profit margins, and growth trends. Review key metrics such as earnings per share, dividend yield, and price-to-earnings ratio. Analyze Target's competitive landscape and identify its primary competitors. Consider the impact of broader economic factors on Target's stock performance. Stay updated on news related to Target, including earnings reports and strategic initiatives. Engage with investment research and expert analyses to gain deeper insights. Evaluate the company's dividend history and policy, understanding how it rewards shareholders. Consider your own investment strategy, including risk tolerance and investment horizon. Build a diversified portfolio that includes Target stock, balancing risks and potential returns. Monitor your investment regularly, keeping an eye on market conditions and company developments. Reassess your investment strategy periodically, making adjustments as necessary. Stay informed about changes in consumer trends and retail market dynamics that could affect Target. Join forums or investment groups to discuss insights and strategies with fellow investors. Finally, remain patient and focused on long-term growth rather than short-term fluctuations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.